Think making money online is all scams and schemes? Think again. In 2025, there are real ways to earn from home. No investment, no gimmicks. Whether you're a student, job seeker, or just tired of the 9-to-5 grind, this video will show you 5 legit ways to start earning today using only your skills, time, and Wi-Fi. Stick around till the end because number 5 could change everything. First up, freelancing. If you can write, edit, design, code, or even type fast, you're already valuable. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you to clients globally. Start small, build your portfolio, and charge more as you gain experience. Hot niches in 2025 include AI prompt writing, YouTube script writing, video editing, and virtual assistants. Next, selling digital products. Got creativity or knowledge? Use free tools like Canva to design eBooks, printable planners, Notion templates, or digital journals. Upload to Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy, and you could earn passively 24/7. Third, affiliate marketing. You promote products or services using your special link. When someone buys through it, you get paid. You don't need a big following. Use WhatsApp groups, blogs, TikTok, or even a faceless YouTube channel like this one. Fourth, virtual assistants. Companies need help with emails, customer service, data entry, scheduling, and more. And many hire people remotely. Sites like Remote, Co, Online Jobs, PH, and We Work Remotely have real job listings. And number 5, YouTube automation. You don't have to show your face. Channels like this one use scripts, voiceovers, stock videos, and editing tools to build content and earn from ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. Pick a niche like finance, tech, motivation, or news and start uploading. There you have it, 5 real proven ways to earn money online in 2025 without spending a single dollar up front. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want weekly content like this, faceless, fluff-free, and finance-focused, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Moneyfied Hub, where smart money moves start.